Welcome to News 365 HYT. I am Venkat. India very sadly lost the inaugural World Test Championship against England in Southampton. After that, of course, the team stayed back because of the very strict pandemic rules and SOPs for Corona. But they got about 15-20 days window where they're enjoying the holidays, and then 14th of this month they reunite and they start practice. The match is scheduled on 4th August. India is slated to play 5 test matches, and this is the first series for the next WTC in the world. So India and England, they'll be playing the first qualifying series for WTC 2, where India clashes with England in 5 test matches. There is too much of controversy regarding the selections. For WTC, Indian selectors have taken out from the squad of 20 somebody like Shardul Thakur, Mayank Agarwal, KL Rahul, and the players, this is something which is not correct. Like somebody like Siraj should have been there in the playing 11. Okay, now if Sen Butts are there, the thing is, let's move on. We reached finals for the first WTC, and the second WTC starting now. At least we should do our homework properly. The 5 matches series, India has already sent the 20 strong players, including plus some support players like Abhimanyu Ishwaran and others. But if you look at the squad here clearly, Rohit Sharma is there as an opener, Shubham Gill is there, and Shubham Gill, because of a calf muscle injury incidentally has come back to India, so he is not available for selection for entire series. Mayank Agarwal is there. Cheteshwar Pujara, who failed in the only World WTC, is there in the team. Virat Kohli as captain, Ajinkya Rahane as his deputy, Hanuma Vihari, the Hyderabadi stylish right-handed batsman, Rishabh Pant wicket-keeper, Ashwin right-arm spinner, Ravindra Jadeja all-rounder, Akshar Patel again very good all-rounder, who really has done wonders in the absence of Ravindra Jadeja against Australia. And Washington Sundar also has done reasonably well whenever he got a chance to bat and bowl. And of course you have Jasprit Bumrah, the world-class number 1 bowler, and then Ishant Sharma, the senior most fast bowler in the pack. Mohammad Shami is there. Siraj of Hyderabad, again fast bowler, who has done reasonably well against Australia, and Shardul Thakur and Umesh Yadav. And if KL Rahul is fit, then he'll be in the 20. Again, they scrutinize this to 15-man team. The others will be left out. Now the problem is who should replace now Shubham Gill. Already you have in the reserves Ashwin, you have already in KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal has 2 openers. Abhimanyu Ishwaran, the Calcutta opener, is there. Though he didn't play for India yet, he is also failure. It is a surprise selection because in England against a moving ball, somebody making his debut doing well is something you cannot really do that. Now, it appears that, quoting some certain medium things, team management in England asked for 2 openers. That is, one is Devdutt Padikkal, who really has done so well, and Prithvi Shaw, who has done so well along with Shikhar Dhawan for Delhi Capitals. They wanted them to come to play a longer version. They have done well, especially Prithvi Shaw in Vijay Hazare. Now, the Chetan Sharma and selector said that already you have 3 openers there. Why you want to have another opener now? So they have not taken it. And they said that if suppose you need somebody like Prithvi Shaw, we take a call after 28th, because 25th India Sri Lanka series will be done. From there you have 9 days for the first test matches. So at least if they want really one opener, they can send that opener for the second test onwards, because they have to go there, do quarantine, all those things. So that they can be doing. But why they have not yielded to Virat Kohli and Ravi Shastri? What could be the reason? Is it Chetan Sharma has now started showing his strength as a chief selector? Because it never happened previously. Somebody like Virat Kohli, when he wanted Ravi Shastri, he really disturbed Anil Kumble then, and he brought Ravi Shastri, but he could not get the services of Prithvi Shaw and Devdutt Padikkal for 5 test series against England. This is one thing, this is one really major fact. When suppose an opener who plays, maybe it is Rahul or Mayank Agarwal, suppose they fail there, because mind you, Cheteshwar Pujara is not in good form. He has to really come there and cement his place as a middle-order batsman because he's playing only only long version game. And Ajinkya Rahane, they should really bat well and see that the score is at least 300 plus. If Cheteshwar Pujara is not doing well, the balance is broken. And if Vihari is not playing, then that becomes more, a burden on Cheteshwar Pujara to play a longer innings. Amidst all these things, Indian team will be playing their first match on 4th August, but in England against the moving and the team which has not done well in the only test match against New Zealand in the World Test Championship at Southampton, found wanting in especially in batting department. Virat Kohli, Ajinkya Rahane, they might have played reasonably well, but that is not enough. That is not enough because their reputation is something else. Cheteshwar Pujara failed. Shubham Gill failed. Rohit Sharma, though they got 30, 40, 50 runs partnership was the first wicket, they have not expanded that. So what happens is, when 5 long test matches, that is 25 days in England, away from the house, and I don't know, but Virat Kohli captaincy is under scanner now. I don't know whether it is for longer version also. People already shouting from rooftops that they want Rohit Sharma to captain the side. So we have to wait and see how this particular team gels together after that 15-20 days break what they are enjoying now, moving around England, sightseeing places and all those things, and somebody going for Wimbledon, seeing those matches. See, they are unwinding themselves. It's good in a way. And then they'll come back maybe 2 days, 3 days again, quarantine, and then 14 days, maybe they'll be doing some practice. But the question of not availability or not sending Prithvi Shaw and of course Devdutt Padikkal is a point of discussion in the media circles and also amongst the former cricketers. We have to see whether now who will open with Rohit Sharma. Is it KL Rahul or Mayank Agarwal? It has to be seen. If whoever bats with Rohit Sharma, if they are not doing well as an opener, then selectors will be under a lot of criticism from all section of people. It has to be seen. However, let me wish Indian team all the best in this first series for WTC 2, which will start on 4th August. With this is Venkat signing off.